Okay guys, so I'm Dr. Joe Brown. This is video 5, specifically going through the cancer diet protocol, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to pick right back up on the next page. We just finished the physician grade supplements, how you can buy those online here, and now we're going to go right back into this particular protocol, okay? Now, if you are tired of drinking juice and you're tired of drinking alkaline water, what I've done here on this page is I've listed a number of different cancer fighting and antioxidant immune stimulating teas here, okay? Now, the key to this, guys, is these need to be purchased in bulk, okay? This is the key right here. They have to be purchased in bulk, guys, all right? Do not go and spend $8, $9, $10 on those 12 little packets of green tea or whatever you can buy there for, in those cheap little tea packets. Those are not going to be of medicinal value, okay? So the key to this is that I need you to make sure you're buying in bulk, all right? Now, what I did here was I just wrote on here immune stimulating and liver cleansing teas. Now, we have organic bulk green tea and white tea, all right? White tea is actually 30 times stronger in EGCG than green tea is, okay? These teas here, burdock root, milk thistle, podiarco, taxus, and essiac teas. These teas essentially are all going to do the same thing. Those are liver cleansing and kidney cleansing, colon cleansing types of teas, all right? So the green tea and white tea contain EGCG, which will help your immune system. These teas here are all going to be very good detox teas if you're trying to detox. Now, starting from this level going downward, okay? Red rubiose, red clover, echinacea, ginger root, barberry root bark, cat's claw, astragalus, and podiarco. And let's flip to the next page here. Turmeric and suma root, okay? So if you don't want to have to go out and buy all of these individual teas here, okay? Starting from red rubiose going down to the last two on this page here, all right? If you go to this website right here, www.gardensbygrace.com, this is a website that's owned by Dr. D.K. Geyer, all right? She is out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Now, you can buy all of these teas right from her. Here's some local stores that you can also go to. If you're here in Arizona, Whole Foods, Desert Sage Herbs. Here's 3 other websites that you can actually go to purchase a tea. And then here's exactly how you prepare bulk tea if you do not know, okay? Now, because 40 to 50% of our patients at this point are flying in from other states or other countries, the reason why they're coming in and kind of the most important thing that we can do for you from a cancer standpoint, an immune standpoint, a detox standpoint, is what's listed under number 12 right here, guys, okay? So if you can zoom in on here, again, because 40 to 50% of our patients are flying in from other states or other countries, then the reason why people come in to see me is for this stuff right here. The high-dose vitamin, mineral, amino acid, IV treatments and vaccines, Ukraine therapy, Iscador injections, also known as mistletoe, hydrogen peroxide, nebulizer units, glutathione injections, as well as a lot of other things that we actually that is not listed here. This is just kind of a preface that these are some of the therapies. And again, if you kind of zoom in up here on the website, guys, if you look under drjoebrown.com and you go under where it says treatments here, again, a lot of the patients that are flying in here from other states and other countries, if you go down here under the treatments, these are a host of different therapies that people are looking for when it comes to cancer, okay? And so you can scroll over here to this left side as well. And in other words, you can just look at all the different bullet points of different therapies that we have listed, okay? Something else while we're on this page here that I want you guys to kind of pay attention to is this particular video that's right here, guys, okay? So obviously you can see all the different bullet points as well as the things that were going up above here. But again, you can watch this video because what this video is going to show is, and I just labeled it immunity diagram, and the whole premise behind the treatments, the vaccines, the IVs, and the things that we do here is based off of increasing your innate ability in your white blood cells to go off and attack cancer cells, to rebuild your system, to detox your body. And here is a video explaining exactly how cancer cells are being attacked by your white blood cells of your bloodstream, okay? So if we can come back to this packet now, I'm going to go ahead and flip the page here, and I want to just lastly cover the last portion of this packet. Now, obviously, I want you to preferably be buying your vegetables from a farmer's market because they're more likely going to be organic than what you're going to buy from the store, okay? And so what I did here, though, is if you do happen to go to the grocery store of any kind, you know that barcode that they stick to your tomatoes and your cucumbers and your avocados? If that is a 4-digit code that starts with the number 4, that is a conventional fruit or vegetable, okay? And we want to make sure that you are not buying so much of this because this is going to have more of the pesticides and herbicides on it that you're going to have to very carefully get off of that fruit or vegetable, okay? And again, if this is a cancer patient, you are only doing vegetables other than avocados or tomatoes. Preferably, I always want you to buy organic when you can, all right? And organic fruits and vegetable labels are going to be 5-digit codes, and they're going to start with the number 9, all right? Absolutely stay away from GMO foods, okay? That stands for genetically modified. We do not want you to be consuming that. And if you guys have not seen these particular movies here, okay, I'd recommend that your husband, your wife, your brother, your sister, your family, your friends, you guys spend a couple hours and please watch these movies, okay? One is called Food Inc., another is called Forks Over Knives, and another is called The China Study, okay? And when you're watching these and you get done throwing up, make sure that you show these videos to every family member and friend you have because we have a serious problem with our food supply in this country, okay? As you guys probably are aware of, I travel out of the country 6 months a year lecturing. And there are many third world or what we call third world countries, guys, that I travel to that will not accept the food from the United States, okay? We have a serious problem in this country. So please watch these videos. Please take this to heart because the things that you are consuming is making you sick, okay? And we need to get you not only out of this the situation that if you are chronically ill or you're currently dealing with something, we need to get you better. But if you are watching this video and you are somebody who is not sick yet, let's make sure you stay that way, okay? So ending this packet here and ending these series of videos, here's some brief references on where some of this information came from besides my own cancer battle, dealing with this, 4 years of medical school, as well as all the different rotations in the clinical hospitals, emergency rooms, dermatology, oncology, hematology, and all the other hospitals and emergency rooms that I worked in. Here's some other information about me. If you do not know this or you want some more information, so here's some information on myself. Here's our website, which we've referenced a couple different times in these videos here. And I just want to conclude this particular thing here. If you, again, click back here to this particular website, guys, and you go to drjoebrown.com, if you go to the home page, okay, what you will notice here on the home page is if you scroll down here, you can actually see video number 1, video number 2, and video number 3. This is my cancer story of what I went through personally many, many years ago, okay? So the information that I'm giving to you is based off of not just what I had to stumble across and figure out in a very rapid time frame with my family to figure out what was I going to do. And to be honest, I didn't really know what I was going to do at that point. I was stumbling across different people and different things that was leading me to one thing to another. And so it's very important for me to put this together for you guys because there's many people that are currently in the situation that I was all those years ago. And they're just like me. They don't know what to do and they don't know who to call and they don't know if they're doing the right thing or what is the right thing to do. So I'm trying to cover this stuff in many different videos so I can help you guys, okay? So if you want to learn any kind of information or just know about my story, you can click on these different videos. And this was actually done by a production company out of California. And this actually video, believe it or not, is airing all around the world in many third world countries as well as all the other westernized type countries like London and Germany and places like that. The other kind of information I want to give you guys, again, we covered the treatment section here. If you click on treatments here, guys, this is going to give you all the different treatments that we talked about. If you're wanting to buy any of the different supplements, you can click right on here on the supplement page, or you can click right here and you can go right to the page where it says buy online now. And if you click to that, what that's going to do is it's going to open up a new browser and you can go right down on here and purchase any of those physician grade and cancer fighting, detox, immune stimulating supplements right here. And lastly, but not least, guys, on the web page here, if you are somebody who is trying to make an appointment with the office, okay, the first thing I want you guys to do is go to the Contact Us page, all right? Because we cover this information with people all the time. When you go to the Contact Us page, I want you to scroll down a little bit. Here are our direct phone lines. And if you go down here, and this is very important, see these 4 green arrows, guys, right here? Okay, if you are trying to schedule an appointment, whether you are in Arizona or you are flying in from another state or country, I need these things in this area right here, guys. I need these things in paper copies. No films, no CDs. These are the things I need in paper copies. You can email or preferably mail those to myself or Maggie. After you have gotten all that stuff and mailed that stuff to us, make sure you click on email packages, which is right up here at the top of the page. And if you are an in-state patient, you are going to sign up for email package number 1. This is the cost of your consultation. If you are flying in from another state or another country, you are going to click on package number 2, the out-of-state or out-of-country patient consultation package. If you are looking to get a host of the different supplements and you want to save money, you can click right here on where it says package number 3. And what you will do is you will see a host of the different medications or vitamin supplements that will be shipped to you here. And again, you just click subscribe right there and it'll take you right to how you go about purchasing those. And then package number 4, package number 5, these are our discount packages which give you different deals on different supplements and treatments you're doing in or out of the office. And then lastly but not least, guys, if you want a e-newsletter here, okay, this is package number 6 and you just click subscribe. So if you are interested in doing any of these packages here online, okay, depending on which one you're trying to do, the bottom line is you just figure out which package you're doing, and then right here where it says subscribe, you just click on these subscribe buttons depending on the package you're trying to do, okay? And so what that'll do is once you click on that, it'll take you right into the page and it'll let you sign up, and that's how you go about getting your consultation with us at the office. So again, I'm sorry I had to do those in different video clips there, but we wanted to cover each of that pretty thoroughly so that if you are somebody who has never heard this information, we covered it thoroughly enough where you're going to get a basic general understanding. You can always call me or email us and we'll go over this information with you guys. If you are a current patient who we've already went over something like this with you, again, this is kind of a video that we wanted to post on YouTube and post on our website. So if you are somebody who needs to review some of this information, you can just go and watch these videos and just follow along right with your packet of information. Okay, so I hope that helped. Please don't forget to subscribe. Show this to your family members and friends. And again, let's make sure that we're helping people because that's what it's all about, guys. Okay, so I hope that helped. I'm Dr. Joe Brown, and I'll see you guys on the next set of videos, okay? Thank you. Tired of being tired? Know you need to detox, but worried about the bowel symptoms that come along with it? Try my all-natural immune detox. No diarrhea, no upset stomach. Increase your energy today. To order this product or to see a complete list of all Dr. Brown supplements, contact me at drjoebrown.com.